Hi, I'm the Lockpicking Cuber, and in this video I'm going to have a go at solving this Rubik's Cube 2 impossible jigsaw puzzles. So in this box there are apparently 80 jigsaw pieces which form 2 Rubik's Cube puzzles. So let's have a look. Okay, here are the pieces. So I'm going to keep the picture close at hand so I can compare. First of all, I'm just going to turn all the pieces over and try and sort them roughly. I notice that we have what I think is an edge piece. Oh, I see. Yeah, the shape of the puzzle actually has the little indentations of the pieces on the cube. That's quite cool. Okay, so I'm going to pull out all the edge pieces over here. So, okay, I think what I have now is the pieces divided into the edges and the non-edges. I paired a few pieces up. I think those two were already together. But the rest of these others I paired up myself. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to move all these non-edge pieces out of the way. I'm going to try and see if I can make the edges of the puzzles. Okay, so I've got the outer shell, the outer ring of one of the puzzles. I think the other one must be quite a bit smaller. Okay, let's see if we can make that one. Alright, so now I have these two outlines, and now I just need to fill them in. Okay, so that's one of the two puzzles completed. Now let's look at the second one. Here we go, the last piece. And there we are. And there's the two puzzles solved. They were, as jigsaw puzzles go, really very easy. I definitely would not agree that they were impossible. I did use this to help me put the edges around the borders, but after that it just wasn't necessary because the pieces are so distinctive because of the patterns of colours on them. It was really fun actually. It took about, I don't know, half an hour maybe in total. And yeah, it was a good fun puzzle. Alright, well I hope you've enjoyed watching me solve this non-impossible Rubik's Cube jigsaw puzzle. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!